tidy up the mess that they were already in. Eventually, they presented some documents to the registrar of political parties. We load the registrar of political parties even before their meetings, and we informed the registrar of known attempts to do what these people are doing. After the document was presented to the registrar of political parties, she then communicated to us and said that she has recognized the resolutions and the convening of NEC at Sarova. And we have said this before and we want to repeat again. Our constitution is very clear, the Jubilee constitution. Only the SG and the party leader can call the National Executive Committee. You do not need to have gone to a CBC class to understand the meaning of that provision in the constitution. But it's amazing that the registrar even went ahead and said that the NEC was properly convened. But if you read the letter from the registrar of political parties, while she has said all that she has done, any move by any of the said individuals required an internal dispute resolution mechanism. Contrary to that, the individuals, of course, took it upon themselves. What is amazing is that the police officers had the audacity of accompanying individuals to an office, and they were fully armed and because we belong to a side of political divide in this country that believes in the peace and the need to ensure that we do not shed any drop of blood as we pursue what we are looking for. The many members of Jubilee who are within the compound, I told them, don't resist. If they tell you to move, because what we are fighting for, the fight for electoral justice, the fight for economic justice for our people, is not vested in a building. It is a spirit. It is in us. And if you want to do anything with that, you have to destroy this body. Forget about the rocks and the rest. And I know we have enough members of Jubilee Party who believe in that cause. Waende sokoni iko pale State House. And you can always go to State House with a placard saying, I am worth this amount of money. They will give you the money. Ukifika pale kwa mlangoni, andika yako, bei yako kwa karatasi kama hii, hapa uinue juu, useme bei yangu ni hii. Watakupatia. Because what they are doing, mafuta na kila kitu, hiyo ndio pesa sasa inatumiwa kuwanunua wale ambao have no character. Sure. But we again decided to follow the law. Because as I said, us in Azimio under the leadership of Raila Amolo Odinga, understand the law. And of course all the others, we have this with us here. And all the others. Eugene Wamaru is with us here. And what Baba suffered fighting for was institutions. So we have faith in the institution of the Register of Political Party, a product of the struggle, a product of the struggle that was led by Baba, among many others who are not here. It is amazing how some people are entrusted with those offices and quickly degenerate to behaviors that were not known to us before. Did it? So as others have said, did it chasing wild goose? Now you can actually see all that being happened. So we went